So here we go. We have the output is 5 less than 7 times the input. Okay, now we're going to write this as a function. So remember, your output always goes with y. So this is y, output goes with the letter y or the variable y. The word is in math basically means equal sign. So anytime you see the word is, put an equal sign there. Output goes with y, is goes with equals, okay? 5 less. So if you have $20 and your friend has 5 less, he has 15. Which means you subtracted 5 from your money. So a 5 less means a subtract 5. From what? From 7 times the input. So 7 times, that's 7 times. Now remember the input, that's x. Outputs goes with y's, inputs goes with x. Okay, so here we go. So the output is 5 less than 7 times the input. Okay, or the output is 7 times the input minus 5. If you wanted to rephrase it that way. Okay, so these ones, after you unpack them and go slowly enough and go word by word, they're really not meant to be super tricky.